Hello, Genuine Pearls, and welcome to my channel, Southern Pearl with Grace. I am so excited to have you here today. I want to begin by expressing my sincere gratitude and appreciation to Two Pages for reaching out to me and giving me the opportunity to review and style their beautiful curtains in my home. I am truly honored to collaborate with Two Pages. Keep watching. If your space feels like it's missing something, this one change might be all you need. In today's video, I will be sharing how I was able to transform my living room as well as my dining room with Two Pages. The curtains made a dramatic difference that I will be sharing with you today, as well as doing a complete review of the installation process, the fabric, and my overall impression with their products. So keep watching and let's get started. Two Pages is a custom window treatment company that aims to make ordering tailored drapery, blinds, shades simple and affordable, tailored to your unique needs, as well as they believe beautiful homes should be accessible to everyone. With well-crafted, thoughtfully priced curtains for comfort and elegance in everyday living. These curtains are absolutely gorgeous. I selected the Birkin Velvet white curtains for my dining room and my living room. These curtains feel amazing. They are crafted, and as you can see, they were packaged so very well. They are extremely heavy and they are crafted with such a great quality and fit. Keep watching so you can see and experience the entire process. These curtains also included a beautiful lining that presented 60% privacy as well as shading. Two Pages provided me with a choice of the metal clips, which you'll see here. This is what I am using because of the curtain's weight. I felt as though they would hang a lot better with the metal hooks here. They also provided, and you'll see in the next clip, they also provided a plastic clip as well. However, again, I decided to use the metal clip here. This is the plastic clip that I was sharing that was also provided, but I opted to use the metal clip as I thought, based on the weight, they would hang and drape a lot better. So here I'm having my handy guy install the rods, and the rods were the Jalen black rods, and they were the medium size, consisting of 48 to 84 inches. The design is what immediately caught my eye. I must say that the installation was easy. I did solicit my brother's help in hanging the curtains. I also received these beautiful matching tiebacks which changed the look while adding a touch of elegance. I absolutely love these curtains. Keep watching. Now let's elevate the space with 2 pages. Keep watching. I am going to allow this portion of the video to play to music. If you have any questions as to where I purchased any of the decor items, please leave a message in the comment below and I will respond. Thank you so very much and keep watching. all the beautiful items that were sent to me, the curtains, the rod, and the beautiful tiebacks will be listed in the description box below, as well as my affiliate link in the event that you want to make a purchase. I want to extend a heartfelt thank you to 2 Pages for sending me these beautiful items and for the opportunity to collab with me. I truly appreciate your generosity and the chance to share these gorgeous curtains and accessories with my genuine pearls. Thank you all so very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed seeing how these beautiful pieces transformed my space. Until the next time, wishing you God's grace, love, and peace. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.